All-Speed Customs. So we got something a little bit different here than our typical hot rod build. This was a full custom 1980 Harley-Davidson. We built this thing from the ground up. The only thing the customer requested is he wanted a full tiki themed bike. What better for tiki theme than teak wood, a ton of custom airbrushing. You can see we went to like an old school surfboard wooden theme here. All bamboo Harley-Davidson logos on the tank, on the fender, and then a custom airbrush shark on the rear fender with the Big Kahuna logo, which is the customer's nickname. So this thing's killer. Check it all out. There's so many little details, from the custom woven basket leather seat, woven basket leather hand grips, real tiki wood floorboards and shift lever. And then of course, it's a shovel head. So we went through the engines, complete rebuild, big cams, more horsepower, and a ton of details. All aluminum AN fittings, custom powder coating. Really nothing's been untouched. You can even look at the brake caliper inserts. They got a full custom airbrush wooden insert. Just a lot of attention to detail. So check it out. It's our first real bike build. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.